This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the bonnet slightly, move the safety catch release lever to one side and fully open the bonnet. The coolant expansion tank and filler cap are located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. Clean the area around the filler cap, then rotate it anti-clockwise and remove it. With a block of wood on the jack head, position the jack onto the front subframe rear mounting point. Then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the front door sill flange. The engine undershield is secured by various bolts around its circumference. Unscrew the bolts and lower the undershield. Position a suitable container beneath the left-hand end of the radiator. Attach a length of hose to the drain tap pipe stub, then rotate the tap clockwise and allow the coolant to drain into the container. When the draining is